Good morning, everyone. Working on some Cyclops side panels, and with all Cyclops panels, you have to worry about the pegs breaking off. So one of my customers decided that he was going to make some prototype replacement pegs, and we're going to grind them off flat, drill them out to about 3/16. This is 1/4 inch right here. I was going to use some 3M panel glue, but I decided I'm going to use Permatex, and we're going to countersink them a little bit before we glue them in, and we're going to start repairing these panels because there's a lot of panels out there that should be repaired. Actually, this one right here, I'll flip it over, is in excellent shape. And this was one actually on my plow tractor. It's a little dirty. I took it out of the storage shed here this morning, and today we're going to repair it. So we're going to start out, we're going to grind it flat like I said, and I'm just going to use just a regular bench grinder, 4.5 inch. Now I'm going to drill it next. Make sure that that's going to go all the way down. Dropped a set of hubcaps. This is actually the first panel. You're seeing it here on YouTube that I ever did. Now hopefully I didn't go all the way through. Let's make sure. That's one thing I guess I'm going to have to be careful of. No, I didn't hurt it a bit. So let's countersink these just a little bit. We'll change the bit and the drill, and we'll countersink them a little bit so when we put the glue in, they'll definitely hold. That should be good. I'm not going to clean it up. The rougher it is, the better it's going to stick. Now I'm going to take my mixing board. We're going to use some Permatex plastic welder. We're going to do one at a time. Use some of that glue on this side here. Mix up just a tad more. And this will repair a lot of bad panels that a lot of people throw away. These Cyclopses are getting short on finding plastic. That's one thing. I love a Cyclops. I know a lot of people like the 82 series a little bit better. I like a Cyclops because of the way they sit. I actually really like the plastic. So we're going to put that right down there. So we're in good shape. We'll let that harden. I'll give you a little bit closer look. I'm going to turn them so they're, actually I'm going to turn them so they're both facing the same direction. And what a professional job they look like. Gentleman that makes these for me actually was a machinist on them bunker bombs. They're made kind of locally here from us. And I get some most brilliant people in here. There's no question about it. I'll show you another thing that... Now, I'll show you another thing he made for me. He's making about 30 of these pegs. I have quite a few panels that need to be repaired, but he made me a set of pliers. Now, these set of pliers right here, he made them right from scratch. They're plastic, and therefore taking out the lens in the front Cyclops grill. So we're going to have a video on that pretty quick here, but not very many people can make a pair of pliers right from scratch. So very impressive man, and really happy. I'll give you a close look at these pegs right here, and you can see how perfect they are. So I believe this will work without any issues whatsoever, and they should be set right in there. And I'm gonna say another 15-20 minutes, and let them sit a day, and they'll definitely be hard enough. So we're gonna move on to something else where we will have more videos on this product. We're going to try it and make sure that the pegs work perfectly. Now, this is just a prototype. We'll have future videos. We're going to have about 20 more pegs made, and we're going to install them on probably around 10 panels that I have on the shelf that need to be repaired, because I don't throw away anything. So we're gonna try them, make sure they work, and as soon as we know that they'll work, we're gonna start selling them. So thank you as always for watching, and we're gonna move on to something else. Welcome back. This is a day later, and these pegs are definitely going to work. I'll give you a little bit better view of them. The only thing I'm going to do a little bit different is I'm going to measure an original, and from right in that slice to that slice, center to center, I'm going to measure it so there'll be no problem snapping them right into the front nose piece. But pretty happy with them. At a distance, you would never know they were repaired. And this project's definitely going to work. Now, I talked to the gentleman that made them for me, and he is going to make them a tad taller, so they're going to be able to snap in and secure into the grill housing a little bit more. But I'm awfully happy with them. This project is definitely going to come together. We'll have future videos of this. This is actually the panel, and I know I mentioned it earlier in the video, from my plow tractor, my first one, the 1864. These have been in the storage building. You can see there's quite a lot of dust on them. So pretty happy. So thank you for tuning in, and this is a short video, but we'll have more videos in a later time. I have 20 pegs coming, and we have quite a few side panels to get glued in. So thank you as always. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Like and comment, and we'll talk to you on the next video.